Welcome to the craft instructions for making the book pumpkin. My name is Diane, and I'm a library assistant with information services at Belleville Public Library, and I'm going to guide you through these instructions. In your craft kit, you will find the instructions, an old paperback, pumpkin and leaf templates, a pipe cleaner, and twine. At home, you will need to gather a glue gun, and if you don't have that, you can use a glue like Elmer's glue, scissors or a craft knife, orange and green craft paint, and a sponge. Peel the front and back cover from the book. Then take your pumpkin template and cut it out. Lay half of the template over the first page of the book and trace the pumpkin shape on the page. If you're using scissors, cut out the pumpkin shape of the first page. Use that page to trace the shape to the next page and then cut it out. Peel off the cut pieces and continue this process until all the pages are cut into the pumpkin shape. If you're using a craft knife, carefully follow the traced shape of the pumpkin and remove the cut pieces. Set aside the cutout pages to use to make the leaves. Now, take the twine, fold it into a 3-inch length by doubling over as many times as you need to create the stem. Twist the twine to form it into the stem, and then glue the end in place. Take the stem and glue it into the fold of the book binding. Add glue all the way down the binding and glue it to itself to form and keep the pumpkin shape. Take the first and last page of the book and glue them together to help keep the pumpkin shape. Carefully manipulate the pages by separating them to fan them out to form the fullness of the pumpkin. Cut out 2 pumpkin leaves using the template and leftover pages. Cut the pipe cleaner in half, glue the leaves to each piece of the pipe cleaner, then decide where to place your leaves, and tuck the pipe cleaner between those pages and glue them in place. Cut 2 pieces of leftover book paper to make ribbons. Curl them with your scissors and decide where to place them on your pumpkin, and then glue them in place. Put a 1/4 teaspoon of orange paint in a small container and water it down. Take portions of the pumpkin and pinch the pages together. Use a sponge to dab the orange paint on the edges of the pages. Prepare your green paint in the same way and dab green paint onto the leaves. And now your pumpkin is complete. What a lovely decoration for Thanksgiving or Halloween.